Hello everyone, this is Ambuz Dikshit and today I am going to do lab program number 7 for networking lab. Now the lab program is to configure VLAN, and there are two types of VLAN basically, that is inter and intra type of VLAN. Intra VLAN means we can access the network, or we can ping within one virtual network, that is we can ping within the network. And inter means we can send packets from one VLAN to another VLAN, that is between two VLANs, or we can say it as inter, or we can ping within two VLANs. That's what inter means. Now there are two types of modes. Theoretically speaking, there is an access mode and there is a trunk mode. So whenever there is an access given to only a single person, that is access mode, and when there are a lot of persons allowed, that is known as trunk mode. Now let us get into the basic topology of inter and intra. Now, as you can see in this is the basic topology we are going to follow for both inter and intra. Now, first we'll start with intra. As you can see in here, we have a router, we have a switch, and we have systems. Now we have divided these systems into different VLANs. Actually, this is a single LAN. Now virtually we have created three different LANs in a single LAN, so that we can provide various types of different um, properties, or different kinds of services to different kinds of networks. So to separate these, we have drawn three different VLANs. So first network, that is the first VLAN, is 192.168.10.0 network. This is .20.0 network, and this is 30.0 network. So for doing this, first of all, intra VLAN configuration doesn't involve this router, and there is absolutely no involvement of this router over here. So to check, to make this configuration, we'll get into this switch, and in the switch we'll type these following commands. So switch configuration VLAN 10, as you can see we have entered the switch CLI. We'll get into the switch CLI and we'll start typing in here these following commands, which I have saved it for you. So this is switch configuration VLAN 10. We have to name the VLAN, we have to give the mode access, and we have to give the access number. As soon as we do this, we have to basically do it for all the three networks. We have to provide the IP addresses for all the three networks. This way we are going to configure it into an intra VLAN network. Now to show our system is an intra VLAN network, we'll try to ping from one system to another within the same network. So we'll start capturing it. The packet goes from this system, it goes to the switch, and it goes to the destination PC. Now it goes back and the acknowledge is received by the PC. Now this is another packet to show that my my network is working totally fine. So as you can see, this as soon as this packet reaches, our acknowledgement is received. Now to show whether this packet can transfer between two networks, you can see the packet is dropped as soon as I try to send the packet from one VLAN to another VLAN. That is why it is called intra VLAN. Now going to another mode, that is inter VLAN mode. So for inter VLAN, we have to do the following commands into the switch. Now router. I'm sorry. It is the router. Now in this case, whenever we do intra VLAN configuration, inter VLAN configuration, we have to involve our router as well, because switch cannot filter the packets that way. So we have to configure our router. For that we have the following commands. We have to enter into the interface, and we have to enter into the interface with the different of the VLAN's address. So this is the interface, and we will enter into .10 interface of this network. So we have provided the trunk access. So trunk mode, this is the trunk mode because this line is shared by different networks. So we'll encapsulate with .1q and we'll give the LAN number, and as we've done in the earlier case, we will give the names and the network IDs first. So as soon as we give this, as soon as we have given this, we can we can ping it and check whether our network is working or not. We'll ping between two networks so that we can the packet goes to router this time. This is conflicting to what happened last time, that was intra case. It went from the switch back to the destination. So I have placed another packet to show you, just for the sake of simplicity. It goes to the switch and it is received back to the destination. As you can see, this message, it started from here, reached back to the router, reached back to the switch, and is received back from the destination. So this is the VLAN configuration. We have configured inter and intra, and I have explained you the difference between them. The difference is, in intra we cannot ping between the two networks, but in inter we can ping between the two networks. The involvement of router is not there in case of intra. Thank you so much.